how to fix leaking outlet pump and hose on the Zip HydroTap G4. Now there are screws on the side, on both sides of the zip, and there are also 2 screws at the front. Now you will need to use the hex key to remove it. So one on the left and one on the right. And some more screws on the right hand side of the machine. Okay, you need to use this hex key here, or the Tox key. If you have a drills, that's great. Put it into the drills, hand drills, and you can get it out. If you don't have a drill, you can use this tool here. This will allow you to manually unscrew the hex screws. So remove the 2 screws at the front, at the bottom front. This is what it looks like. And here we need to lift out and then lift up the front cover. So it has a small clip right there that clips into the frame. So you need to move it out and then move it up. Next, you need to remove the screws on the side of the case, on the left side, as well as on the right side. At the top here, there are 3 holes that you need to remove as well. So remove the outlet and the cold and the hot water hose. And then we lift up the case and then pull it out. Okay, so remove the case completely. Here I'm just going to drag it out and place it on the floor. Now this is the back of your Zip HydroTap. So you can see inside there are different components. The one that we want to work with is the outlet pump that is right underneath at the bottom. So we get to that part in a minute. Here we first going to inspect around to see if there are any other leaks surrounding the system. So we've got the back here, and then this is the side of the system. So we go to the side now. So that's the side with the gas bottle. Okay, next we're going to need to pull out the styrofoam at the back here, and simply lift up and pull out, and that will expose the outlet pump, and the hose is leaking at the moment, as you can see. Now using the plier and remove the 2 E-clamp on the hose. Okay, so my replacement part has arrived. This is the old part, and this is the new hose, and inside this bag also comes with the actual pump. I don't really need the pump, but I might as well replace the new part while I have it, and I will save the old one as a spare. So that is the new outlet pump right there. It also comes with the 2 hose clamp, brand new hose clamp for the new hose. And there is also another hose here that you can replace if you wanted to. Okay, so first we're going to remove the electrical wire, then cut the zip tie that tie up the other hose. If you like, you can also replace this hose here. On my machine it still looks good, so I will leave it in place. It comes together with the package, so you have one spare if you need to use it. Next, we remove the old outlet pump, so pull it out from the hose. It may be a little bit tricky, so just give it a few twists and turns to pull it out. So here I'm just going to turn it around a few times and pull it out. Okay, now after that you want to attach the new pump back to the hose. So just push it in, give it a few turns so that it goes all the way in. Now you want to secure it with a zip tie. So using a zip tie will secure the hose so that it won't leak at that part. And then just cut out any excess. Okay, now I'm going to attach this hose into the pump in the machine, and also make sure you secure it with the clamp. So connect the hose, and then we connect the cable. So make sure you connect the wires right here. Once the wire is connected, we can now simply put the case back on. So put the case cover back on. Okay, now turn the Zip HydroTap back on, and that is how you can replace the outlet pump and leaking hose on the Zip HydroTap G4. Thank you for watching this video.